Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum and Adab. For the very first time of this video, take our cordial love from Muwaj English tour. Truly speaking, it's me, Muwaj bin Masood.
And guys, this is Maliha bint Masood.
We are siblings and twins. Truly speaking, guys, as you can see, we have come a very much incredible place. Truly speaking, right now we're staying at a university. Truly speaking, the university name is HAJEE MOHAMMAD DANESH Science and Technology University. Truly speaking, it is the first university in northern Bangladesh under Rangpur division. So this university is located at Dinajpur city, and this is our home district. That's why we love it so much. Now, my dear sister Maliha will tell you something.
Yes, right now I'm staying at a university. I know that how much is a big surprise is this. And you have to know about this. I have come here not just for visiting. I have to know this history. So I tell you, I'm out here with the Masood telling you that HAJEE Mohammed Danesh, who was the social worker, activist, as well as farmer leader, for his name, it's named this university HAJEE Mohammed Danesh. So that's why we all call it that HAJEE Mohammed Danesh University. And this is Science and Technology University as well. And I'm so younger to you all, and I can feel that how much it's really amazing thing that I'm staying right now.
Truly speaking, guys, in 1976, it was completed and founded as the agricultural institution. And in 1988, it completely converted into a college named HAJEE Mohammed Danesh Agriculture College. And after that, the final year and the last year came in 1999, which was exactly upgrade this college into a university as the first university in northern Bangladesh and in Rangpur division, named HAJEE Mohammed Danesh Science and Technology University. Truly speaking, my father, so many students study in this university, as well as this is the most university and one of the most university that foreign people most study in this. And truly speaking, the area of this university, of the entire campus, is 130 acres. Truly speaking, Maliha, if you have any new information regarding to this, anything about campus, about a culture, about history, any kind of section, division, please share with my audience.
Of course, there are a lot of sections here, and this is a university, and its location 30 kilometer northern Dhaka and Dinajpur highway. Actually, you know that I'm also a student. I have a feeling that one day I will also study a university like this, and those who are studying here, they know very well that how much is this precious. And guys, you hope that I have explored the whole university and I have gone in the academic department like this, botanical department and geological as well. And you have to explore and you have to know the truth. However, you know it, you can capture all the things, all the information.
So my dear friends, as you can see behind me, there is Fisher's Building. It's one kind of department of HAJEE Mohammed Danesh Science and Technology University. Truly speaking, in this video, we exactly try to show you something very special and some informative video as well as some blog video. If you get any kind of mistake from our video, please pardon us and let us in the comment box. See you later on a new video with another historical place, another things, another informative video. Till then, take yourself. Have a good day. Oh, please like, comment, share, and follow and subscribe our YouTube channel and Facebook page. See you later. Have a good day.